In this video, I'll show you how to place text behind an object, in this case a building. However, in the situation, the camera moves, so in a sense, the building also moves in the scene. So let's dive in and show you how to do it. I have a clip here on my timeline. The first thing that I'm going to do is to grab my title and put it on track number 2, something like this, and I'm going to stretch it out. The idea is for the title to fly behind the building and come up somewhere here. So let's get the title first. Select the title. I'm going to just call this... by the way, I have no idea if this is Casablanca, but let's just go with it because it's such a cool name. I'm going to resize this and adjust the position. The idea is for the title to show up somewhere here after this scene moves this way. I want my title to come up somewhere around here. The title will fly behind this building and come up over this side. Select the title. I'm going to keyframe the title because the title will move as well. And I'm just going to place the keyframe, and this will be the ending point. And let's go to the front. This will be the start point for that title, and I want this to move from this way. Okay. Let's play this to double check. Next, I'm going to lock the text track. Select the track below. I'm going to copy the original video. Go to track number 3, move to the front and paste it there. So let's just see if these things are perfectly aligned. You can do so by hiding and unhiding the track. No movement means that we are good. So next, what you need to do is to select the track, go to your video, go to mask, and we will use a hand-drawn mask. Select the mask. Your icon should change to the pen, and you can actually mask it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to zoom in so that I can mask it better, and the mask will follow the position of this much easier. So I'm going to start masking somewhere around here. Close off the mask. So this is the first mask. Now because this moves, we need to keyframe this as well. So select this to keyframe everything. Okay, and let's move this back. Okay, as we move forward, now we need to adjust the mask. In order to see the background better, what you can do is to hide the bottom track and see. So now you see that the mask have actually needed to move much earlier. So let's keyframe that. Remember, the original position is somewhere here. Okay, we have moved the playhead somewhere here. Let's put a keyframe there. And you can adjust the keyframe by moving this that way. Let's move this further. Let's put another keyframe. Adjust the frame this way. Click away just to see if the text is working. Alright. Go further. Put another keyframe. Select the mask, move the mask a bit to the right. Do the same for each point. Now there could be situations where you need to readjust the mask itself. You can do so by just changing these mask points. Okay, so in this situation there doesn't need to be much changes over here, so we will proceed for the rest of this video. Let's see how this goes. Turn back the track below. Let me zoom out to fit. This is how you make the text or titles move behind an object that is also moving, or perhaps the camera is moving in this case. I hope that you found the video helpful. If you like it, do give it a thumbs up. It encourages me to continue making videos like this. If you want to learn Filmora fast, using all the tips and tricks that I've learned over the years. Check out the link in the description as well. Check out what's on the screen right now for the next Filmora tip.